Hello and welcome to week 2. In the previous week, we looked at the differences between portfolios, programs, and projects. This week, we will delve deeper into that differentiation by looking at what each of the managers does and what their roles and responsibilities are. It is important for a manager, whether for a portfolio, a program, or a project, to be aware of what other managers in an organization are responsible for. So, what exactly does a program manager do? A program manager is responsible for ensuring that all the resources that are required for the successful execution of that particular program are available, that they're managed and coordinated. These resources include financial as well as human resources. A vital role played by the program manager is to always ensure that each program is implemented and aligned to the organizational strategy. The project manager, on the other hand, is responsible for a specific project which has a clearly defined end and start time. Within this specific project, there are schedules and timelines that need to be managed. There are also financial, human, and organizational resources that need to be managed. These are all done by the project manager. The role of the project manager is to ensure that the project goal is achieved. The portfolio manager may be managing more than one project and program within a particular portfolio. It is the responsibility of the portfolio manager to coordinate and manage the resources that are required to carry out and achieve the organizational objectives. The portfolio manager also has a monitoring responsibility on the components that are included in the program and projects that are incorporated in the portfolio. Think about the activity that you did last week where you had to identify a particular program and a particular project in the public sector. In your reflection, think about what role each of the managers, whether it was for a project or for a program, have to carry out in order to achieve the objectives of that particular program or project.